Hello, this is Carl from the Hudson Highlands Nature Museum, and we're here today to do a little craft project with you. I'm trying to do this on my own in a little workshop, so sorry if the camera's a little unsteady. What I want to do is make a bug collector. So this is a really simple craft project you can do with your kids. Usually we do this with spring break kids. Not sure if that's going to happen this year. But anyway, you guys can do this if you're getting bored and you want something to do. Here's what you're going to do. You need a few items. One, a baby food jar with lid, and I've taken the wrapper off and cleaned it as best I can. I need a small, skinny straw with a bend on it. Any straw actually with a bend will work. I need a straight straw, a little bit fatter than the other one. You can get them at the fast food places are even fatter. They're nice and big. Then I need some modeling clay. Here's my modeling clay, and I've taken off and cut off a little square of it, and I've taken it, split it in half, smooshed it all up, and make it into these two little pieces. A nail, a hammer, and in this case I used a big fat Phillips head screwdriver. Usually I use my Leatherman tool because that's a nice point to it. You can use like a needle nose pliers. And what I've done, first off, is I made two holes. Here's one for the small straw. Now this one here, the nail just happened to be almost a perfect size. You want them tight, not loose. So the tighter the better. So what I do is when I'm making the hole bigger, I just go very slowly until the straw is nice and snug. Loose is not as good. Snug is perfect. And then the other one, I used my little screwdriver here, or my big screwdriver, and I made the hole a little bit bigger and put it on. Be careful because the inside underneath here, they're a little bit sharp. I would show you, but I'm trying to do this all one-handed. So anyway, this is what you do. You take the little bendy straw, and you put the bend side in and the long side out. So what you do is you slide that in. That's nice and snug. I like that. And then the bigger straw, that one goes straight on down. All right. And only you need to go a little distance into it. I'm going to try switching hands now. And then what you do is you take this modeling clay, and then you do is you get it nice and long. Let's see if I might need a little bit longer. And then you just simply wrap it around, pinch it, all right? And then you just squish it into its nice, perfect seal. This helps to keep suction, and that's the way you can collect bugs with these. And I think I got that pretty good. There's one, and then I'm going to take the other one. As you can guess, I'm going to put it on to the other side. Again, this is hard to do one-handed. But you want to create a nice seal. That's why the hole, if it's really close to the size of the straw, is even better. I kind of make a little, like a little volcano shape out of it. And the kids, if it loosens up, you just smush it again and start over. So there we have it. That's it. Now for the orange straw, you can see the big one. That's where the bug's going to go through. The green straw is where you're going to draw and you suck the air out, and it creates this vacuum. So you're going to suck from here, and then the air goes down and out. And that's what you want to do. With the green straw, a lot of times I do with the kids is I'll put a little piece of screen or something I can find, a mesh, so that it doesn't actually, you don't want dirt or bug to come up the other end. That's not what you're trying to do. So hopefully I got this unsealed well enough. And then all you do is you take, again, this is going to be tricky to videotape. I'm going to use my little, I have 3 little pieces of paper here that represents my little bugs. And I'm going to put this end in my mouth. And let's see if you can see this. Hold on a second. I'm so sorry. Let's try it again. There goes one. And he's in the bottom. Where is he? There he is, right there. Let's see if we can get the other end. Oh, that one's a little bit big. But anyway, you get the idea. So this is our little bug collector. And this is something that I usually do with the kids in the summer break, or summer camp, or spring break. Hopefully you guys had a little fun making this, or we'll try it. And then when the weather's nicer, and you want to go outside looking for some bugs, do it. It's a great activity. Just do me a favor. When you get done, please open the jar and let these animals go. because you just want to look at them. The bigger the straw, the bigger the bug, and keep a nice tight seal. Hopefully you had fun making these or going to make one of these. And we'll see you soon over here at the Hudson Highlands Nature Museum. Thank you. Bye-bye.